Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you what is page layout in Zoho Expense and how you can create it with a simple example. What are page layouts? Page layout in Zoho Expense allow you to enable or disable specific fields, set default values, add helpful hints for user and mark field as mandatory. All this can be customized based on different teams or categories within your organization. First, I'll show you the default policy in my Zoho Expense account. So just click on the admin view, click on setting icon. Under user and control, click on policy. So this is the default policy for my Zoho Expense account. Under the categories limit, by default, all the expense categories are enabled for all user. But let's say you can only want a certain categories enabled for specific teams. By using these checkbox, you can enable or disable the categories for that specific policies in the Zoho Expense application accordingly. So now let's create a custom page layout for the travel expense category. So first we have to create a travel type field in the expense module. So just go to the go to the customization and under customization, click on modules, click on expense, click on fields, click on add new field, enter the field name is travel type, select the data type is drop down, enter all the options here like flight, train, cab, bus, and click on save button. So my new field is created for the expense module. Now create a page layout. If the employee chooses the expense categories as travel expense, then I want to mark that travel type field is mandatory, so the employee are able to select that specific option in that drop down fields and submit that expense against the travel categories. So click on the page layout, click on new page layout, enter the page layout name, travel type, choose the category for which you want to create that page layout. So I want that create that page layout for travel expense category. Now you can enable that travel type field by using that checkbox. If you want to mark that field, just click that checkbox. If you want to show us some default values on that specific field, then click on the default value field and select any values. And if you want to show us some default text, then you can also click that message here. Please select the travel type and click on save. So my new page layout has been created successfully. So I'll show you how it looks. So click on my views under the expense module, click on new expense, enter the expense date, select the category as travel expense. If I choose the category as travel expense, it's now mark the travel type field as mandatory, also showing a default value in that drop down and also showing the hint message as well. Okay, so I'll show it selecting the other values outside the scope of GST and click on save and close. My expense record has been created successfully. Now it look like this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.